Right, hello third grade. Welcome, happy Wednesday. For math, we're going to be working on addition for the next few weeks. We're going to be working on adding two numbers. So let's first start with a review. Let's move this over. All right, so when we're adding numbers, we want to make sure that our ones place connects together, our tens place, and our hundreds place. Those numbers want to be right above each other. So I can see I have 950 plus 7. The 0 is in the ones place and the 7, so they're added together. The 5 and the hundreds, but there's nothing in the hundreds here. I mean tens, and then the nines and the hundreds. So we're going to start from the right and we're going to add as we go down. So 0 plus 7 gives us 7. And I see there's nothing here. 5 plus nothing gives us 5. And 9 plus nothing gives us 9. So our answer would be 957. So now let's do just another example. This is going to be kind of a review, but it should be challenging at the same time. So now we have 642 plus 19. So I wrote them out. So I wrote my 642, ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and 19. I can see my ones place adds up, my tens place, and then I have nothing in my hundreds place for 19. So I know that nothing's going to add up here. So now this is where it's going to get tricky. 9 plus 2, and I can go up on my fingers like this, 9, 10, 11, or you can draw 9 dots or 9 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then I can add 2. So that gives me 11 too, whatever you feel comfortable with adding. So now I have 11, and with the number 11, I see 1 is in my ones place, and the tens place is going to get carried over here. So because I can't put 1, 1, two numbers in my ones place, only 1 goes. So for my 11, the ones place goes in the ones place, and then my tens place goes over here, and I add it on top. So now I'm adding my tens. I add 1 plus 4 plus 1. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And again, you can add it whatever makes you feel comfortable. If you want to do tallies like this, 1 and then 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then another one, that gives me 6 tallies for my answer. And then of course my hundreds place just goes down because there's nothing there. So 642 plus 19 gives me 661. So we're going to do 2 more examples. We're going to cover this one up and just work on this one right here. 496 plus 237. I see my ones are added up, my tens are added up, and my hundreds are all together. So the first thing I'm going to do is count my ones. So 7 plus 6, you can go up. I'm going to go up because that's easiest for me. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it equals 13. So my 3 and my ones, and then 13, 1 in my tens. So now here we have 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Adding my tens gives us 13. So we're doing the exact same thing. My tens place goes here, and then my hundreds go here, so 13. So now I'm adding 4, 5, 6, 7. So 496 plus 237 gives us 733. Now we're going to work on our last one, and we'll cover this here. So I have 436 plus 313. So I'm going to add my ones first, 6, 7, 8, 9. So my ones place didn't go over 10, so I'm not going to put anything in my tens place. And now my tens, 3, 4, and again, that didn't go over 10 either, so I don't have to carry a number over. And then we have 4 plus 3, which gives us 7. So 436 plus 313 gives us 749. And remember, if you are struggling at all, always double check your answers. And remember, when we go over, so here my ones place went over, so for my 13, I had to carry the 1 over. For math, instead of just trying to do it on the computer, take a piece of paper and write out the answer. So you can physically write down the number carrying over. Sometimes it can get tricky doing it in your head. All right, have a great rest of your day, and we're going to continue with addition for the rest of the week. Thank you. Bye.